In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to domain clash in Cursed Arena Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly do a domain clash in the mobile version of Cursed Arena. You will be able to get this done by joining the experience and using a domain expansion at the same time as someone else. You can even have multiple people use it, so it doesn't have to be only you and someone else. You can have up to 4 or even 5 people use it altogether. So all that you have to do once you go over to your Awaken form and you use your domain expansion is synchronize it with someone else's. So if everyone uses their domain expansion in close proximity at the same time, a domain clash is going to start. Now, sadly, I don't have recorded footage of it happening on screen, but basically, all of you will have to participate in this mini game. You will have to press WASD in order by tapping the options on your screen, and the first one to lose track of this is going to be eliminated. So if you have multiple people who use domain expansion and are participating in this domain clash, the last one standing is going to win, and their domain expansion is going to suppress all the others, and you will do a lot of damage. So all that you have to do is press WASD in order by tapping the option on screen. If you keep tapping over and over again and you survive until the end, when everyone else is eliminated, your domain expansion is going to go up. It doesn't matter which domain expansion is used, as long as they are all used on the same time in close proximity. Like I said, this will trigger the domain clash that everyone who used the domain expansion can participate in. You will see all of the effects go off, and the one that wins is the one that is going to be used. So everything will be pushed back, and you will be able to see the domain clash animation go off, as you can see on screen. Regardless of if you are doing this process on mobile or on PC or even consoles, you will be able to participate in the minigame to see who wins the domain clash. So just use your domain expansions at the same time. You can try synchronizing this with a friend if you want to see how this looks. I hope I was able to help you on how to do domain clash in Cursed Arena Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.